Hi guys, today we'll be making tacos. Now for tacos, these are the ingredients. We need 1 bowl of rajma masala, the normal rajma curry, but with less gravy, whichever way you prepare it. I have prepared it with Everest rajma masala. You can prepare it the way you prepare it at home, but be sure not to have too much of gravy because it's be used for filling in the taco. You require half cup of capsicum or bell peppers, some coriander leaves, half a cup of onions chopped. You require some grated cheese and some chaat masala and some tomato ketchup. Now first we will put in some tomato ketchup onto the in the rajma masala and give it a nice stir. Now the tomato ketchup you can adjust to as sweet you want to make your rajma masala. I'll add some more ketchup. You can add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. Don't ensure you don't make it too liquidy, so you can adjust. That's why your rajma masala should not have much of gravy. Now we'll keep this aside. We'll be preparing the taco shell, which looks something like this. Now for this we would require aluminum foil, which is rolled up in this form. This is to keep in between the taco shell while we prepare it. We would require some rotis, small rotis in the form of to prepare the taco shells. This is made of maida. If you prepare with atta also it's okay, but the maida one will be more crunchier. Now let's switch on the gas and I will show you how to prepare the taco shell. Now I've switched on the gas. Let me put one of the rotis on the gas. Let one side be a bit warm. Now we'll put in some oil on the pan. And we'll flip the side. And we'll flip it again. Now what we need to do is we need to take the aluminum foil which is wrapped and keep it at the center, a bit near the center, and we need to hold the taco, the roti, this way, and we need to press it. Now you need to turn it. Please use this steel something like a tweezer to hold the roti in place. If you feel oil is a bit less, you can add a bit more oil so that we get the desired results. It is a little bit more of oil, and you need to hold the roti. Yeah, you need to hold the roti in this way and press it. And we need kacha pakka rotis, which are already prepared with the maida dough. In the dough you just need to add water, little salt and maida. And again flip it. slightly remove the foil and see if it's not done from one side. What you can do is you can flip it and turn the side so that you can get the desired result. You need a bit of patience to make this. And it needs to be heated on the pan till it becomes like a taco shell. Now taco shells are generally made with corn flour and some other flour, but we can make it in this way with maida also. Again flip it, it's become a bit, we switch off the gas because it's becoming a bit brown in color. Just leave it for some time, it will. You get a taco maker. It's a steel vessel which has shape like a taco. So generally you make with that, but since I don't have that, I've used aluminum foil which does almost the same work for me. Keep it on the gas for some time. You need to also hold the taco like this so that the base, the bottom also becomes a little crispy. So you can hold it this way. You need to press it for some time. See, the base also will become crispy. And taking the oil, just rub it across this way. And press the taco shell. Now you slowly flip it and leave it for some time. You see the taco shell will be crispy. And finally, after some time, it will look like this. This is the second one I made. Once it gets dried, it will pick up the shape. Now I'll switch off the gas. Now guys, our taco shells are ready. You can see how beautiful they are and crispy as well. And this is the third one. And even after you take it from the gas, keep it on a plate with this aluminum foil inside, so it will nicely form shape, and till it becomes cool, it will form your shape nicely. Now let's plate it up. Let's fill the taco shell. We'll take a plate, we'll take the taco shell, we'll put in some of our rajma masala with the ketchup. We'll put in some onions. And some capsicum. If you have 3 colors of capsicum, you can use all 3 colors a little, and maybe some tomatoes as such. So let's put the capsicum. We'll put in some grated cheese in the taco shell. You can put as much as can be filled in this, and you can put in some coriander leaves. And optional, this is optional, I like to add some chaat masala on top to give it a punch of flavor, so I'll add the chaat masala. Let's fill in one more taco shell. We put in little rajma masala. the beans of the tacos. I filled in too much. Now let's put in some onions, some capsicum or bell peppers, some coriander leaves, fresh coriander leaves, and some cheese. And we put in some chaat masala. See guys, this is looking beautiful. Let me show you. Now see guys, the tacos are ready and they're filled. They're looking so beautiful with all the veggies and the beans, the rajma. Please do give this a try. This is oil-free taco shells made with very less oil, not deep fried. So you can have it without any guilt. Thank you.